Keema Karele, and I have 1.5 finely chopped onion here in 1 tablespoon of oil. So I'm going to saute it until it's slightly golden brown. So to this mixture, I'm going to add a heaped tablespoon of ginger and a heaped tablespoon of garlic. In went a heaped tablespoon of ginger and garlic. In went a heaped tablespoon of ginger and garlic. And just saute it until that like gold. I'm going to blend about between 1.5 to 2 tomatoes and 2 green chilies, and this is to my taste, the green chilies. So we want our onions to get slightly gold or pink like this, and we will now start adding the tomato blend in it. I did add another teaspoon of oil because it was too dry, and you can add between a teaspoon to a tablespoon of oil. I've added my tomatoes. And I'll start adding my dry spices. I added a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of paprika, and half a teaspoon of turmeric. So we'll now cook this masala until the oil separates. So once the masala had formed, I have just added the keema. So mix it well and then add some dry spices. I'm going to try not to add any water, and I've used 0.8 pounds of keema, which is less than a pound. So now I'll add some dry spices. I add a teaspoon of jeera powder, cumin powder, a teaspoon of garam masala, and a tablespoon of coriander powder. I do like coriander powder more, so I do up it in my dishes that it smell and fragrance. So we will keep stirring the keema frequently so that it breaks and then no lumps that form, and in the meanwhile we will work on the karelas. This is what my keema looks like, and I'm just going to stop the cooking process because I still have to cook it with the karela. I did add about 1/4 cup of water to it to help the keema cook. Switch it off. It's not completely dry. It has some moisture in it. Do my karelas like this, and I use a vegetable peeler to do that. It's much easier that way. And now I'm going to slit them into a half, remove the seeds, and cut them into strips. This is what they look like. I remove the seeds and then I cut them into stripes, and then I went ahead and halved them, and these are 6 small karelas that I'm using. My karelas, and in a non-stick pan I am going to fry them until it turns like gold. Karelas become like this. It's time to remove them, so we'll drain them and then put them in the keema. The keema is nice and dry now, and I am going to switch it over. It's ready to serve.